People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today we have an exclusive. But before we go any further, people, just smash the like button from now. And my regular subscribers know, with the last 2 or 3 times I said that I brought you the Stone Crusher video, the Security Post 11 video, etc. So you know it's serious. People, look at your screen right now. The individual you're looking at right there is none other than Delano Wilmot, aka Pricky Boy. The same Pricky Boy the police can't find, and the police has had on their the police have on them wanted list since forever, right? As long as you can probably remember, the most wanted list have come out. Pricky Boy has been on that most wanted list, especially when they put out the St. James list. Now, people, as I said, the man on your screen right now, this is current picture. Obviously not today, but current picture. This is what Pricky Boy look like now. Now the picture that you're probably used to seeing, and there are only a very few pictures online of him, very few, right? But the pictures you're probably used to seeing, his face doesn't look as beard up. In this picture, with him look at audio over made him probably look like him even start ras. This is a typical thing for a lot of wanted man. Them change them features, either them start bleach or them rash up and facially or nuff up, etc. Now I want you to understand something. Pricky Boy walks around freely in his community, freely in a female, and everybody know Pricky Boy a Cambridge a theme place, right? Now you may be asking then, Sir P, what that thing I'm on? What do you mean what that thing I'm on? People, that is how Pricky Boy roll. That is how Pricky Boy walk through in place, freely, openly, and everybody in the community see him, and everybody deaf, dumb and blind. People, the part of the country where Pricky Boy come from, Cambridge, that part, in my opinion, is top 5 most difficult place for security forces running upon. Let me say that again. Cambridge in St. James is top 5 most difficult place for the security forces running upon. The reason why Pricky Boy can profile like this is because the place where him come from, all the advantages are on the side of the 87s. Cambridge is a place where you can see people that come from miles out, but them can't see you. The terrain give all the advantage to 87s like Pricky Boy. Now, I'm going to give you a brief rundown on the Pricky Boy story, but you can't tell the Pricky story without telling a Ratty story, right? Now, you may be wondering, Ratty, the name Ratty sound familiar. Yes, Ryan Peter King, aka Ratty. Now, people, originally it was the Ratty gang, right? Ratty was the leader of the organization, and Pricky Boy was him right-hand man, was him top soldier, right? Now, you remember Ratty for getting caught up in a very well-known and tragic circumstances where 3 women, right, end up get taken out over the span of like 24 hours, right? The name of the victim, they know I like to put the name of the victims out here because it humanizes them, right? Anne-Marie Johnson, 44, our 24-year-old daughter, Chantal Mackenzie, right? And then shortly after that, a 17-year-old young lady by the name of Roxanne Daly, right? She just left Cambridge High School. The man named take her out as she was walking towards her mother's house. Now, people, understand, why did Ratty and him band of merry men up there in Cambridge take out the 3 women then? People, you know say, all of that come down to a dispute over chicken. When we say dispute over chicken, is like this. At the time, Ratty, well still now, Ratty and his band of criminals did feel like say them coulda do what them feel like when them feel like. So the people them of them livestock, right, them chicken and them goat with them raise for do them business, you know, typical hard-working people. Ratty and him thief in front them, go take the people them goat, take the people them chicken, right, slay them, put on big feasts, right, for party, because them a keep party and them want meat, right, to put on the party. So of course them just go take the people them chicken, take the people them goat. Now the people them have all right to go to them and say, yo, how you for do that? When they can't deal with things, for just take with things and do what they feel like. People, I guess they were offended. Ratty and them thieving friend them were offended that the people them want to them chicken. The people them want money for chicken them with them thief. And them go take out the 3 woman them. I'm just saying that just to give you an idea of who Ratty and by extension Prekky Boy and the rest of the youth them in the crew they were. Right? We're talking about some serious 87s, right? We're talking about Apex 87s, the type what I've warned you about that we cannot rehabilitate. Now, if you look on your screen right now, I'm going to show you a picture of the said individual, Ryan Ratty Peterkin. And don't worry, we're going to get back to Prekky Boy, but as I said, you can't tell the Prekky Boy story without telling Ryan Ratty Peterkin story, because that is the only way it makes sense, right? Now, people, the demon we see on your screen right now, and if you wonder how them look kind of different, it's the same person, people. Obviously, one of the pictures them black and white, right? And obviously, them have different hairstyle, but you can see if you look closer, the same person, right? Now, the long machine you see underneath, the 2 main picture of them, that is what was taken of Ratty, right? The day when the security forces go for him, right? Now, Prekky Boy and Ratty, these are the type of men who they are not going to get taken in and sit down on a station and sit in a courthouse, right? I'm told you already, Apex 87 is really 2 real ways to get rid of them, but the main way is a very large round, and that is how Ratty was taken out, right? Because the security forces went for him and go buck him up in Westmoreland of all places, because by then he had gotten real hot, and this was a thing about April 2018, right? Ratty did get real hot, right? And then he left and go Westmoreland, and police buck him up over there, right? And of course he's no longer here. But when they went for him, of course Ratty challenged them, right? And as I said, he came out on the losing side. Now, in my opinion, one of the reasons why he could go out like that was because they buck him for Westmoreland. See, remember I said before, people, in Cambridge, all the advantage is with the 87s, right? Because due to the nature and the how the terrain is set up, you can see police and soldiers come from miles out, right? So it's hard for them sneak up on you. But which part of them buck Ratty at Westmoreland wasn't like that, right? But Prekky Boy, on the other hand, Prekky Boy has not left, and this is why Prekky Boy is still alive, right? Because the how Cambridge setup makes somebody like Prekky Boy easier to get away from the law. Now people understand this. Ratty did have to start move around. Prekky Boy did have to start move around as well, because there was a split in the gang. Remember, it was the Ratty gang. Ratty the leader, Prekky was the top dog, top lieutenant, right? Or right hand man, whatever you want to call him, right? It ended up so that there was a split in the Ratty gang, right? And Prekky Boy go on to do his own thing, and Ratty do his own thing, and they started to clash. Now, imagine 2 Apex 87 turning their weapons on each other. As you can imagine, that was a hell of a time for the community of Cambridge. Citizens are run up and down left, right and center. People are bawling for police help them. People are bawling for... It got to a point, people, where the family members, Ratty's family member, was trying to help police get rid of Ratty. Their own family members were telling police, listen, whatever we have to do, get rid of him, right? This is public knowledge, by the way, people, so we're not putting no note there where we can hurt anybody, right? Even their own family and friends were saying, listen, this is gone too far, right? They have to go, especially because by this point, Ratty will become a complete raving lunatic, especially after the stunt with the woman them. Now, people, understand this. Prekky Boy, even though, in my opinion, he belongs in the same group of 87s as Ratty, right? I'm not trying to say Prekky Boy is a good person. Do not be silly, do not be foolish and simple Simon, nobody that try add on nothing and take out from me, I say. But listen up to me carefully. One of the reasons why, in my opinion, Prekky Boy get to stay around and still around longer than Ratty is because Ratty was a bit more erratic. Who knows if that's why them call him the name Ratty. He was a bit more erratic. He was more of a loose cannon. Prekey Boy has a better relationship with the residents in the community, and bringing on to the reason why police can't catch him. The residents. Prekey Boy is still around because the residents of Cambridge are helping him. Anytime police get anywhere near Prekey Boy, the residents tip him off and him get to take for himself. Right? Anytime them try sneak up on him, no kind of operation, as I said, you can't sneak in a Cambridge so easy. Right? The people them tip him off and him gone about him business. Ratty was not getting that privilege. Ratty would not have gotten that privilege. Right? People them the want Ratty get sugar out a long time. Right? But Prekey, born and grow, as I said, it look like most of the foolishness Prekey keep up, him keep it outside of the community. Right? So the residents don't look upon him the way them that look upon Ratty. Right? Now, the only way you really see Prekey get caught up, any day ever you say Prekey get catch in a Cambridge, is probably because they did something for the residents them turn upon him. Because they used to love Ratty too, you know. People understand badness. The residents love you as long as you don't turn their machine on them. You can leave the community and go with up 100 people. They can let down man, woman, dog, goat, cat, horse, anything you want to kill. As long as you're not turning your weapons on the local residents in your community, they will shield you and they will protect you, especially if you give them a thing. The moment you hurt them, crime is a problem. Did I not just talk about this the other day? That is the culture. People don't have a problem with criminals in Jamaica as long as the criminals don't bother them. Prekey Boy is not walking around Cambridge and put the people them through hell and powder house, so they're happy to give him a pass now. If Prekey Boy ever start get desperate and start draw away young girl and start do this to people, then they will sell him out, and then you will read about Prekey Boy on the news, right? So people understand this. It's very unlikely Prekey Boy is going to make it to a station. The only way Prekey Boy end up in a station alive is if Indy come a driving at the jeep with the police them when them catch him. That is the only way. And if JDF catch him done for. Let him put that out there. If JDF catch Prekey Boy, him done for. People remember, you know, Ratty them used to lay wait police and wait up police, make police have to run left them vehicle, you know. People, I'm not making this up, right? Ratty and Theme Gang, when the man Prekey them used to link and them used to go around under them thing, them used to lay wait and ambush police vehicle and make police have to run well left them vehicle, right? I'm just trying to show you that these people are not hesitant to take on the police force. You know, sometimes I hear people say, there was a shootout and he escaped into nearby bushes, but not never really go, so police try to look an excuse. No, when you talk about them, man, when you hear police tell us say there was a shootout and they escaped into nearby bushes, a real thing, right? Remember, you know, this organization was so brazen, you know, the Ratty Gang. Them set up one toll system in the area, and everybody have to pay a fee. Even police who are come they can look for them relatives have to pay a toll to go look for their relatives up in Cambridge. People, I'm not making this up. Listen, I know some of this sound crazy and it sound like it's a movie me I talk about, right? And as Simple Simon does say, I make up things to get views. But I'm telling you people, up there in Cambridge and near a place named Retrieve, right? The man them used to have them own toll system, right? Their own illegal criminal toll system, right? And everybody who go through it will have to pay. Every single person. This is real life, people. And Ratty, even after him gone and Prekey Boy do him own thing, Prekey Boy pulled off a stunt that has convinced me that JDF simply will not make him ever see a day in a station if I them catch him. Because in a place called Richmond Hill, which is close to Cambridge, Prekey Boy actually engaged the security forces. Iman film the command them, right? Engaged the security forces. Take on JDF, right? I'm just trying to show you who Prekey Boy is, right? This is not somebody who's going to say, alright, take me in a station and call me lawyer. I cannot see it going out like that, right? I'll be very surprised if it go like that. As me say, in the come, I have to go in at the jeep with them. In the come figure stand up there, right, and 10 video camera are the only way you see Precky Boy get brought in our station. Now, before I end this video, let me just say something. I've shown you the images of Precky Boy. I've shown you Ratty. I remember a very long time ago, I did a video where I was saying a certain level of 87, after they've lost their humanity, they develop a certain look. When you look in their eyes, you see a human being that looks as if they have no life left in their body, as if their soul has gone. They develop that look that Apex 87s have. I've shown you Ratty and I've shown you Delano Wilman, Precky Boy. You should be able to see the look I have been describing. Because remember, way back in the day, people used to do the whole righteous thing. You can't judge man by a look, you can't talk about, you treat everybody the same. And I said, I was one of the first people I can think of on YouTube to come out and dismiss that nonsense. And I said, listen, cut the crap. There's a certain level of 87, a certain level of demon, where you can look in their eyes, you can look at their body language, you can look at their demeanor and tell that person right there is responsible for a lot of people leaving this earth. They develop a certain look. You should have been able to see that look in this video on Ratty and on Precky Boy. I don't know Precky Boy's story will end. I suspect it would end very similar to Ratty. But when that day come, trust and believe I'll be making another video on it. Right. In a perfect world, he would hand in himself and get him there in a court or whatever, and no innocent lives will be lost. But we're not living in a perfect world. What I'm afraid of is that when Precky Boy, not if, but when Precky Boy and the security forces come together, people might get caught in the crossfire. I only hope when that day come, no innocent people not happen in the vicinity, and I hope the squad of them who go up against him and him team, I hope them go up to them family. Precky Boy, brother, I don't know. That this recent picture that I'm looking at, I don't see any more humanity left. I don't see nothing left in his eyes. I don't see, I see a shell of a man. I see somebody who's just waiting the day to face him judgment. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.